And the winner is
Audio Jungle.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the Royal Court. Let's jump right into it. So I know you guys remember this, and if this video like blows up, because there's gonna be another one soon. If this video blows up between like when I post it in October 3rd, I will do a wig giveaway. This is me playing the playback basically, but y'all remember that. And I haven't forgotten about you guys. So what day did I go there? The day they did the Lithonia one. But they wouldn't let me in the door. Here's the footage. What if I was just trying to get one wig?
Yeah, I'm truly sorry, but we are in fact closed. I'm sorry.
Oh, I was trying to do a giveaway for my people. When is the sale? Well, how many times it comes back?
Once a month.
Oh, so just wait till next month?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay.
Okay, so on that day, I decided that I was going to extend the giveaway because they're doing it again in December. So I know I got a lot of new subscribers. Hey y'all, welcome to the Royal Court! Woo, 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 woo. And I wanted to tease you guys and say, and the winner is, but y'all still got time. So don't forget to follow all of the rules so that you're actually entered. I'm putting in the clip here again. I think the rules included following me on Instagram, leaving a comment in this video, your favorite emoji, and talk about what you want to see next from me. So I want to say, everyone, welcome. Thank you all so much for entering. Everyone who did enter, I did not forget about you. I believe the next date is in December, early December. So I will reach out to you guys. Have a month to make this happen. So I'll reach out to you guys at the very end of November, whoever is the winner, and we will figure out which wig you want. And if there was another rule, make sure you just follow all of the rules because it's only fair to everyone, you know. So, and be sure to subscribe. There is like a little way that I can check if you're subscribed. I want to say thank you so much. I love each and every one of you. You guys are the most amazing people, and I mean that with all sincerity, because that means when you guys subscribe, that means you believe in me in some form or fashion. So thank you so much. Thank you. And yeah, my birthday had passed October towards the end. So I've literally been having things to do every week. So to my new people who came and haven't gotten a video yet, the video is coming. The videos are coming. But thank you for your patience, because it's only, my subscriber count has only been going up. So I love you guys. Thank you so much. And I can't wait to see more of you. And be sure to enter that giveaway. Share it with your mom, your cousin, all of the above, your friend, because that's more of a chance for you to win. Like, say if they win and they don't want the wig, then they can just give it to you. So, all right, that's it. See you guys in the next episode.
Yeah.